Satin, advanced parameter, overlap percentage, random factor, and random side 2. Here, we have some objects. Select the object. Press F key to open satin fill parameter. Here, you can see overlap percentage and random factor. Now, we will set overlap percentage to -40, and overlap percentage always set to minus. Using random factor, we can give effect, like jagged feel. Here, we add 40%. Here, you can see, the object has been reduced by 40%, and 40% of the stitches have become longer and shorter. Now, if we want to put another color in the opposite side, select the object. We will copy the object by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V and change the object color. Open parameter and click on Random Side 2 button. Here, you can see that the object has been copied. If you want to make more overlap, make changes in satin overlap percentage parameters. Select the object. Open parameter. Here, we will change the parameters. Select the object. Open parameter. We can also overlap this object in the same way. We can change the parameters as per our requirement. Now, we will see how we can use shading. Select the object. And, we will copy the object by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Open parameter. Now, we will change the parameters of overlap percentage and random factor as per our requirement. And, click on Random Side 2 button. Here, you can see the shading has been created, and we will change the color of shading. We can also increase or decrease the stitch spacing of shading by changing the parameters of stitch spacing. Set parameter here, as per your need. We can set different shading by changing the parameters as per our need.